I got lucky. I found a recipient for me to extract a blackhead. So I put a blackhead under a microscope. I know, not exactly a normal hobby, but here it is. When I zoomed in, I noticed something really strange. There's actually a tiny little hair inside of it. At first, I thought, wait, did a hair cause the blackhead? Turns out, not really. Blackhead's from inside something called hair follicle. That's basically a tiny little tunnel in your skin where hair grows. And every follicle has an oil gland attached to it. That gland makes oil called sebum, which helps keep your skin from drying out. Normally, that oil just flows out of the pore, but sometimes dead skin cells mix with oil and things start to build up. Nasty. Little by little, that pore gets clogged. Since the pore stays open to the air, the top of the plug grows. Top of the plug reacts with oxygen, so that's when it turns dark and gives you a blackhead. Now, when you look at it under a microscope, you can actually see what's going on. There's usually a tiny hair running right through the middle. You can see it. And the oil and the skin cells are basically wrapped in it, around it. So, the hair didn't cause the blackhead. It was already there. The clog just formed around it, which means what you're looking here is one clogged pore and one very unlucky little hair stuck in the middle of it. All right, so what do you guys think? What? Pretty cool, huh? Pretty nasty, but I think it's pretty educational. It's not a hair. It builds up in your follicle, right? Remember that. So also say hi to Frankie. All right, he's next in the scope.